Welcome to Disney Beams or Dance Mommy Vlog. We are giving a little mini bun tutorial with Miss Barbie, who owns Josie's Dance Studio. And this is going to help out all of our young dancers who are taking the ballet technique class. Is that correct?
That's right.
All right, so you're starting off with a ponytail.
Starting off with just a plain old ponytail.
Maybe come around the back here.
And you pull that as best you can. And these, for her, these are hanging down. We're not going to worry about that right now. We'll deal with that in a little bit.
We can always use gel.
Gel, flip clips. Flip clips are great for that. Okay. So when you do the bun, you can always use a donut, but if your hair is on the short side, Josie's is able to be done in a donut as long as it is now. But if she would happen to get it cut and it was like that short in her ponytail, you can still do a bun. What you do is you just start twisting it like this. Okay. And then if you're twisting it to the left, you're going to start swirling it around to the right. Okay. So you just do it like this.
Maybe that's what I was doing wrong, was swirling it.
And then there's her little thing. Now, oh, I don't even need that. Now you're just going to hold it with one hand. You're going to have sprigs and craziness going on. Okay. Don't worry, because what you're going to do is cover it with the hairnet. And you can get these at Rite Aid, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And you can get like several to a pack. Then you cross it. And come back around,
and keep doing
cross it, until you can get. Now this is the fun part. Once you get it in there, you can kind of smush it with your fingers and arrange it to get it to where it looks good on our head.
So you don't need a second hair tie once you get that in there. Okay.
You can just switch around.
Only if you're using the bun form.
Only, yep, that's right. And then you want to take your bobby pins and pretty much just kind of angle them toward the middle of the ponytail.
Yeah.
Yep, and just kind of hit. I mean, her hair, you could probably get it with 3 or 4 and you're good to go. Okay. And it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. And it's going to go like here. And then a little trick that I use with my hair sometimes, if you're like out of flip clips or something for the bottom, sometimes I'll take all these baby hairs and twist them up like that. And then you can, and then you can do like a crisscross bobby pin right there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
She's a good helper.
Yeah, I'm a good helper.
And then there's that up. And that's how fast it takes.
All right, let's take a look at it.
Look at Mommy. Oh, Miss Barbie forgot a piece, but that piece will
hairspray,
I'll take care of that.
That's what hairspray and hair gels for,
that's
right? So let's get that.
Look at that.
That looks fantastic.
It looks great, and then she's good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.